Hey everybody, this is a video we're making for the businesses that we're targeting in Ulster County and the Rhinebeck Red Hook area. It's kind of a crazy video. You don't know me yet, but you probably will soon. My name is Dave Marks. I run a very successful business up in Albany, New York, and basically it's called the Clipper Magazine. We're also throughout the country. We're in Dutchess, Orange, Rockland, Putnam County, Albany, Saratoga, the whole state of New York except for Ulster. We were supposed to open the Ulster, Northern Dutchess, Rhinebeck Red Hook area. We were supposed to open up in '08. This magazine is a magazine we're going to put together. It's going to have the best businesses in the area, and we're going to mail it to 50,000 homes, medium to high income. It's going to launch in the spring. It's all food, entertainment, beauty, health, and fitness, ideas for your home. It's awesome, and it's direct mailed, and people like it in the Albany, Westchester areas, Dutchess, all these areas around Ulster County because nothing else is working. TV, everybody TiVos or DVRs their shows, radio turned into iPod, newspaper turned into the internet, Yellow Pages turned into Google. So our magazine has been thriving. We're 120 pages up here in Albany. It's only 45 minutes north of you guys. It's probably the most successful marketing tool these businesses have here. And it's really just independently owned businesses and us against the establishment. We don't work with Walmart and Target and Home Depot. It's all independently owned businesses. We're members of the Ulster Chamber. We were featured on their radio show. We did a whole segment with Ward Todd, and we'll attach a link to this video so you could listen to it. But it's very exciting. We're going to have the best of the best businesses, places like Herzog's and Dysing's and Hilltop Manor and a Bowery Dugout and all the best home improvement places. And when it finally comes out this spring, the homeowners are going to be extremely impressed with the product. And it's very trackable. We have image, we have shelf life, sticks around for a couple of months. We have affordability. It's like 2 or 3 cents a home depending on the size of your ad, and that includes the postage, the printing, everything. We also do postcards. If you don't want to be in a shared product, we do postcards for about 5.5 cents a home. So we do it all. We'd like to meet with you. If we haven't met with you yet, we're going to hopefully catch up with everyone the next month or so. But if you want to reach me direct, I'm at clipperdave@aol.com, or my cell phone is 518-229-7276. But anyway, let us know what you think. If you're getting this video, it's probably sent from Helena, and Helena and I are partners on this whole thing. Helena lives in Red Hook, and we're working together on this project. So she might have sent it to you, so you could email Helena back, or you could email myself back, and let's get together for 12 minutes. After doing this 15 years, in 12 minutes I could explain the whole program a little more thoroughly. But for now, you got this crazy video. Hopefully you liked it, and we hope to see you soon. Take care.